Exactly. That's what I say.
Okay, well you're in then. Just go ahead and go back.
I am back here in Phoenix with Jill Green at Sweet Life Garden for the Arcadia Edible Garden Tour.
That's right.
And we are seeing 9 gardens?
9 neighborhood gardens right in this neighborhood. And we've been preparing and we're ready to go. Our garden's almost perfect.
Almost perfect.
But not really. And we have lots of vendors back here, local vendors.
Well, it's Mother's Day weekend.
It is. It's a place to bring your mother.
Yeah, so we're going to check out Jill's place and all the other gardens as well. So thanks for having us back.
Of course, I'm excited.
This is so awesome.
Excited.
I'm Joy Hubbard. I'm from the Simple Farm in Scottsdale, Arizona, and I'm here representing Suzanne Velarde of Velarde Gardens. And Suzanne is a plant propagator, and all she does is propagate seeds. She's non-GMO and she's totally organic, and everything on the table is for the summer seasons.
I'm Cynthia Bogart, and I'm a gardener and I'm an artist. And I collected all of these things thinking I was going to paint garden sayings and things for the garden. And so now I have to sell, and hopefully other gardeners will like some of the vintage things in their garden.
So if you do it ahead of time, I can't wait for the shade.
You're in then. Just go ahead and go back. There's lots of local vendors, and my husband's supposed to be back in the back garden, so go have fun.
Hi, I'm Carolyn from Arcadia Color Garden Nursery. We're a new nursery on 52nd Street between Oak and McDowell. It's all owned and operated by former Baker Nursery employees. We'd love to see you. 8 to 5:30 Monday through Saturday, 9 to 4 on Sunday.
Armando Soto, and I'm with Raices Roots, and we're known for the living walls, and we do everything with home decor and living plants. Succulents, cacti, and air plants.
What's an air plant?
An air plant, they're awesome little plants that don't need soil to survive. They do bloom, multiply, and they grow. So you just soak them once a week, and the rest the plant does on its own.
Hi, my name's Allie Yerger, and I'm the owner of Roots Farm Ceramics. I make handmade ceramic dinnerware, and my daughters, I have twin girls, and they make handmade soaps and ceramics as well.
Hi, I'm Joyce with Mother Birdie Bakes. I make sweet things, everything from cupcakes to caramel corn to cakes, lots of pastries.
Are you right in Phoenix?
I am. I'm South Scottsdale.
Hi, my name is Emma, and I'm Jill's daughter, and I grew up here at Sweet Life Garden. And I'm out here selling all her goods. We've got her jam and her honey. My mom, Jill, hand makes all these one-of-a-kind garden aprons.
Hi, I'm Lindsey Green. I grew up in this beautiful garden. I'm part of the garden tour this year, and I'm an artist selling my work. I'm Jill Green's daughter, who owns this lovely place.
Hi, my name is Phoenix, and it's kind of like the city.
You've got a lot of people.
Almost 600 tickets sold. People are asking lots of good questions about how to keep your weeds down, what are the favorite chickens, what kind of goats. Yeah, we're excited.
Hi, my name is Erin. I'm Jill's daughter, and I grew up with this beautiful house.
That's awesome. What are you selling today?
I have baby goods, organic and eco-friendly.
Hi, Nikki, and you are another daughter.
I'm another daughter. I'm the middle. Yeah.
5 daughters, and you've almost met all of them, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
7 grandkids and 2 on the way.
Good thing you've got a big farm here.
Yeah.
Lots of eggs.
Yeah. They like running around here a lot. We have fun. The man farmer.
I'm Alan.
And he's my slave.
All right, yes, cat feels most of the time.
They're usually jumping around. Come on, babies. Come on, babies. Come on, babies. This is Rue. It's named after the Johnny Depp in the chocolate one, the chocolate movie. What is it? Whatever.
Factory?
Willy Wonka. No.
Chocolat.
Yes.
Chocolat.
Yes.
Yes, of course.
And this is Otto. The black one's Otto. And these 2 are Bucks. And then if you want to pull Ula, that's Ula. She's our doe. These are Lamanches. And they are really quiet. So we like them because they're quiet for our neighbors.
So my neighbor does blackberries.
Hi, my name is Nicholas, and this is my son Onyx, and we watch Late Bloomer.
And you live in Phoenix?
We do. We live up in North Phoenix area.
Do you have a garden?
We do.
Put your hand around it. Oh, wow. Look at the size of that.
Sorry.
Hi, I'm Rachel, and I'm going to subscribe to your channel.
Awesome.
And I'm Michelle, and I already subscribed to your channel, and I follow you on Instagram.
That's awesome. Do you both have gardens? Or
I do, yes. I do.
What do you grow?
A variety of fruit trees and vegetables and lots of flowers.
Do you have a garden?
I've got a little starting tomato plant, eggplant, herbs, and I mostly go to her house for inspiration and enjoyment and learning.
Hey, my name's Sarah Sky Schutte.
What's your name?
Roxanne Schutte.
And so we got 3 generations here.
This is Chloe. We're gonna have a garden soon because we just bought a new house and we're gonna put in a new garden. It's beautiful. This is amazing. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous. I have lots to learn. So.
How clean you make your house before she comes?
I clean my house.
I'm Kaye LeBlanc.
Awesome. Is this your place?
It is.
How long have you been gardening?
Well, we've been gardening at this house 18 years. I mostly grow flowers, and my husband grows the trees and the vegetables.
My name's Gordon.
And Gordon, you're from the South too, right?
From Louisiana.
And is that where you met this Kaye?
I met this Kaye in Louisiana also. Yeah, these trees are at least 90 years old. Actually, when we bought the place, there was probably 18 years ago, another 16 or 17 of the trees, they've died. So about 4 years ago, we started planting all the peach trees and everything else you see, plums, blue-ots, and so forth.
Why are they painted white at the bottom?
Well, if you go to a commercial orange grove, the trees actually come down to the ground, the limbs do, and that's to protect the trunk. They're painted white to protect from sun scald.
So how much time do you spend gardening?
We're in the yard each more than 20 hours a week. I hand water the vegetable beds with a hose. That takes me about an hour and a half, and so I do that every other day. But our Saturdays and Sundays, unless we're at our grandson's ball games, we're here in the yard sometimes 8 hours a day.
Right, but you have flood irrigation.
We have flood irrigation.
But you still have to water the beds?
Well, the beds are raised, so the water doesn't get over into the beds.
Uh-huh.
And the flood irrigation is every 2 weeks, so it's not
That's
ample.
not enough.
That's
it's
not
enough
enough
for the trees, but it's not enough for the raised beds.
Wow, okay.
Our garden is our church, our fitness center, and our meditation center. It's where we solve all of our problems and all of the problems of the world. Gordon's mother lives in northeast Louisiana, and she found that at a garden center there and bought it for us. I'm glad because it came from my mother-in-law, Miss Ann, my mother-in-law.
Okay, I have to come back and see you, Kaye.
I would love that.
You watch Late Bloomer?
I do.
And
Yes.
which episode did you just see?
Well, we watched one on the Desert Super Bloom.
That's awesome.
Yes.
What's your name?
My name is Jordan.
Hi, Jordan.
Hi.
And what are your names?
Rebecca.
Hey, do you like to garden? You do?
Yeah, I help my mom. I also help her cook.
Oh, you help garden and cook. But do you help clean up?
I'm Ray.
And Ray, what do you do?
A little bit of everything. Right now I pick peaches.
And what are you doing with all those peaches?
Well, I'm going to treasure them and then I'm going to eat them.
His name is Hamlet. He was raised in Santa Monica by our daughter, Jules, and she named him that. She took him to work every day. She was a film editor. And then when Hamlet went from being a quote-unquote micro pig to what he was always meant to be, which is this pig, she dropped him off here, but we've had other pigs in the past. So he just kind of wanders around, kind of eats what he can find, and we feed him a lot of stuff out of the garden too.
So this is a former estate?
Yeah, my wife's grandparents built it in the 1930s.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So we've been here a little over 20 years. My wife's over there with some of her pals, and they came out from Chicago. And when we first moved here, there were 24 acres. We kept 3 and developed all the property around us. There's now 41 homes around us where there used to be none.
Wow.
It used to be just all orange.
Orange
grove.
orchard?
Yeah.
Orange grove.
I'm an expert in permaculture, and I actually teach workshops in urban agriculture. Yeah, and I'm here today to help out with the garden tour and actually answer questions and help people learn more about gardening here in the Phoenix area.
Mainly just food growing, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. Well, they have quite a garden here. They have a whole bed just artichokes.
Yeah, just a lot of diversity, and that's the big piece about gardening in the valley is you really want to have a diverse garden, which really helps everything thrive better.
And it also helps bring in bees, right?
Exactly. That's the biggest component of it. Nature thrives, your garden thrives, and your kitchen thrives too.
Hi, I'm Rebecca.
I'm Troy.
Hi, Troy, and this is your place?
It is our home, and we are an urban farm. Our business is Farmyard. We install organic vegetable gardens in addition to growing for families that get our produce delivery on a weekly basis.
So you have a CSA?
We do have a CSA.
That's awesome. How can people contact you?
Our website is www.myfarmyard.com.
And you're setting the example by growing all this in the front yard.
Absolutely. We practice what we preach. We have 3 different properties similar to this that we grow on. So this is our home, and then we grow to neighbors across the street, and then we have another farm out in North Scottsdale. Hey Kaye, look at my biggest tomato. This is a variety called Striped German. People say that it's really difficult to grow heirloom tomatoes in Arizona, but we prove them otherwise. Well, we grow ours vertically just to save space because we want as much production as we can get in a small area. So by growing them up, I get cucumbers all the way up 7.5 feet tall. If you grow them on the ground, they'll get bleached spots on the bottom. And so by doing this, I never get bleached spots. They're easy to see, and they grow nice and straight because gravity takes a hold.
And what about bugs?
Bugs? Everyone has a little bit of a bug problem. Usually they don't move in. Like we haven't had cucumber beetles this year. I've had a few aphids, but nothing that a little soapy water can't fix.
I'm Rocky Lacey.
Hi, and you make all this wonderful stuff?
I do these handcrafted goat milk soaps with our goat milk from our Nubians, and also the honey comes from our beehives. We have a ranch about 3 hours north of here, and I've been doing this for about 9 years.
Look at those. Those are regular.
Yeah, those look really raspberry.
Cool, you did a great job. Thank you.
Oh, thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Amy. Hi, my name's Lori. And we made all the food.
That's
all the
awesome.
food.
I have had a wonderful time at the Arcadia Edible Garden Tour, and Jill is such a wonderful host and organizer for this event, and I am going home with Sweet Life Garden peach jam from her peaches and their orange blossom honey from their bees, as well as Jill makes these fabulous
garden aprons.
And you know, I can never find my clippers when I lay them down. I can never find them, so this is going to solve a lot of problems.
That's what these are for. They're for your phone, a little pad of paper, your seeds. Okay, good to have you. I'm so glad you came.
Me too.
Yay.
I will be back, obviously.
Yeah.
Phoenix is the place to be for gardening.
There's a lot of happening stuff here.